I'm Joel Downs. I have a business called American Vintage 4-Wheel Drive. We deal with anything mid-90s and before, Jeeps, International Scouts, old pickups, bringing them back to life. There's a lot of history with these, and a lot of that stuff's fallen away. So I like the aspect of being able to bring them back, get them back on the road, and get them into the hands of somebody that really enjoys them. I was on the western slope of Colorado, so it's an area that it's right on the edge of the mountains, but it's a super dry desert climate, so there's a huge preservation of old vehicles out there. And out there, it's a lot different than back here in the Midwest, where out there, like drivetrains and engines stop running because they've been used so hard. Back here, things rust away to nothing. It's neat because you can find parts and stuff for engines and stuff here that have not, literally they have very low usage because the bodies fell apart before the engines ever quit working. Where out there, you know, these vehicles are running up into the mountains, high altitude, they're working hard. But some of these things you find in the weeds, you know, the bodies are still in immaculate condition. Our goal is to get them in, go through them, and get them back in the hands of people they're going to use them. So even if you have, you know, your grandpa's old truck that you're wanting to fix up, you know, you can bring that to us. We can go through it. We can fix it. We can dress it up. We can have it repainted. We can do body work, any mechanical items, you know, we can take care of that stuff. And we have the ability to go through it with a fine-tooth comb, with a lot of detail, and get that back to something that you're proud to drive. So I've known Kevin for about the last 2 or 3 years. We were working out of the same building. I saw some of the work that he was doing. I would walk in and I was like, well, good luck with that, Kevin. And come back, you know, an hour or two later and it's perfect. And I literally was blown away. Kevin has done multiple dent repairs for me on new vehicles and some of my old vehicles. So Kevin's a great guy. His guys do good work.
Hey everybody, this is Kevin with Carr Tech. Hope you liked the video. So we're putting this content together to clue you in on the type of work that we do and the people that we get to meet. If you have dent or detail needs, please look us up on the web at cartechdents.com, or you can give us a call at 574-241-1234. Thank you and God bless.